poisoned by Novichok, but is anybody or any country or company really taking action or doing anything about this? So we're seeing this pattern repeat itself that, there's a lot of, slapping on the wrist, but there isn't really anything in the form of true punishment, sanctions, or other meaningful action.
There's a line in the movie that says, in Saudi Arabia, having an opinion is a crime, but Jamal's death changed everything. But did it though? Do you really think it changed anything, let alone everything?
Well, it did one thing. It hasn't changed ultimately what is happening in the kingdom and the crackdown on dissent and the jailing of thousands of essentially political prisoners. But I think it opened up the world's eyes that MBS is not the great reformer that he appears to be.
That's Bryan Fogel. His new film, The Dissident, is now in theaters and will be available on demand January 8th. Bryan, thanks for talking with us.
Thank you so much for having me, Sasha.
Millions of Americans prepared for a different kind of holiday this year. In South Central Texas,
we provided brisket and sausage, and that's a Texas Christmas for families.
Workers at the San Antonio Food Bank were happy to fill clients' boxes with something festive.
And to see their excitement, their appreciation of just being able to get those special items along with the fresh produce and dairy, it nourishes their soul along with their body.
That's Eric Cooper, CEO of the San Antonio Food Bank. He's been doing this work for almost 3 decades. Through natural disasters, through economic downturns, he says nothing can compare to 2020.
It's been crazy, right? So at the onset of the crisis, there was a tightening of the supply chain. Many of our sources for food, restaurants, hotels, caterers were closed. Our grocery retailers were actually selling out of food, and so there was nothing left over for us to pick up.
At the same time, demand at the San Antonio Food Bank was doubling.
We went from feeding 60,000 people a week pre-COVID to 120,000 people a week.
Eric Cooper worried. Would his organization be able to collect enough to feed these families? So far, it has. Private donations have helped. Government programs, too. The new COVID relief bill Congress passed this week, the one waiting for a presidential signature, includes $400 million to help supply food banks. Eric Cooper says while the scale of this ongoing crisis is mind-blowing, he's also struck by the San Antonians who are now in line.
For many of these families, it's the first time they've ever come to their local food bank to get help. They now find themselves unemployed or underemployed, and I think they're confused. They don't know how it works exactly. They're frustrated because many of those federal safety nets that they thought, okay, these programs exist to help people when they're down and out. I'm in that situation. For instance, in Texas, if you were to apply for the Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, SNAP, and your automobile is worth more than $15,000, that automatically disallows you from participating in the SNAP program. And so the food banks become their only source of food. Very afraid of catching the virus. But I asked a senior couple about their situation, and I stood on the passenger side where the wife was sitting, and the husband, with his hands on the steering wheel, just bowed his head. In his mask, I could see his eyes watering up, and he just said, it's hard. It's just so hard. It's hard. To cross that line of pride and overcome the stigma to get help is huge, and I'm seeing that in the pandemic. I mean, people that they've been in crisis since March, and they're coming in December now to get food because